Good morning, it's December 18th, and this is your daily brief in science. Here's everything you need to know. The war in Ukraine has stopped collaboration between Western and Russian scientists in the Arctic. The halt impacts climate studies significantly as Russia's involvement is crucial due to its size and influence. The lack of data exchange is depriving scientists of critical information on permafrost and oil and gas drilling impacts. This has resulted in suspended projects and delayed studies within the Arctic Council. Russia's research community is also experiencing brain drain and funding cuts. Despite the challenges, some researchers still value working with Russian expertise. Doctors have developed a new blood test for sepsis, a difficult-to-diagnose infection. The test uses patient blood samples to identify DNA fragments associated with sepsis in just 45 minutes. The new method could enable quicker identification and response to the sickest patients. The test, currently being trialed at 2 UK hospitals, is showing promising early results. It works by identifying a protein found in neutrophil extracellular traps, NETs, released by the immune system during sepsis. The test could help doctors plan admissions and discharges from critical care more effectively. Early detection of sepsis is vital as it is the leading cause of death in hospitals. The new test could potentially save thousands of lives every year. The rise of health misinformation on social media, especially about vaccines, is a significant concern. False claims about vaccines have been debunked by scientific consensus, but continue to spread. The spread of health misinformation has led to preventable COVID-19 deaths and economic losses. Social media algorithms can limit exposure to diverse perspectives, contributing to a fragmented understanding of information. Declining trust in science and government, coupled with historical medical mistrust, exacerbate misinformation spread. Combating misinformation requires consumers to verify sources, consider scientific consensus, consult healthcare professionals, and avoid sharing unverified claims. Responsible consumption and sharing of information are key in combating the spread of misinformation. Abdoulaye Diabate, a scientist from Burkina Faso, won the 2023 Falling Walls Prize for his research on genetic solutions to combat malaria. Diabate is developing a technique to eliminate malaria-transmitting mosquito species by altering their genes. Malaria is a major cause of death in Burkina Faso, particularly among children. The technique uses gene-drive technology to introduce sterile male mosquitoes, preventing female offspring production, reducing the female mosquito population, and halting malaria transmission. There are concerns about the ecological impact of this technology. Diabate is committed to fighting malaria and emphasizes the importance of innovation in malaria control tools. Modern humans who find it easy to wake up early may have inherited this trait from Neanderthal ancestors. Neanderthals had a faster body clock and were better adapted to seasonal daylight changes. Early humans migrated from Africa to Eurasia and mated with Neanderthals, transferring Neanderthal genetic variants to modern humans. A study using UK Biobank data found early risers were more likely to have Neanderthal genetic variants. The Neanderthal genome has been linked to other traits and diseases in humans. This has been your daily brief in science. To read more about these stories, follow the links in the episode bio. You can also subscribe to these updates at www.brief.news. And for more daily podcasts about the topics you love, visit www.brief.news/podcasts. Tune in tomorrow. We'll be back with everything you need to know.